Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how to install laminate flooring step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Before we begin, make sure you have all your basic tools and installation materials ready so the process goes smoothly. Follow along and you'll be able to achieve a clean, professional-looking floor in no time. Prepare the room. Start by clearing the entire room. Remove old flooring, carpets, nails, and debris. Your subfloor must be clean, smooth, and level. If you find bumps or gaps, fix them using a leveling compound. A perfect base means a perfect flooring finish. Install underlayment. Roll out your underlayment across the entire floor. This layer reduces noise, protects from moisture, and makes the floor feel more comfortable. Tape all seams tightly so the underlayment doesn't move during installation. Plan your layout. Decide the direction of your planks. Usually we install them in the direction of the natural light. Place spacers along the wall to maintain an 8 to 10 millimeters expansion gap. Make sure the first row is perfectly straight because it sets the alignment for the whole room. Install the planks. Start from the left corner. Connect each plank using the click lock system. Angle it, push and snap it into place. Cut the last plank of every row using a saw and use that offcut to start the next row. Stagger the joints for strength and a natural look. Use a tapping block to remove any small gaps and make the seams tight and clean. Finishing touches. Once the entire floor is installed, remove the spacers. Add skirting boards or quarter-round trims to cover the expansion gap. Install transition pieces at doorways for a smooth, professional finish. Finally, clean the surface, and your laminate flooring is complete. Outro. That's how you install laminate flooring in just a few simple steps. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.